This song is a gift for all of you QA professionals. From the founder and CEO of QA Mentor, Ruslan Desyatnikov, to those of you who are struggling without a job, I want to tell you one thing. Don't you ever give up. I know the silence feels heavy when the calls just don't come through, when the work you gave your life to feels like it's forgotten you. You questioned, you protected, you carry truth no one could see. Now the world moves on without you, but that's not your destiny. You are not replaceable. You are not done. Don't give up, keep holding on, even when the road feels gone. Every step you take in pain is rebuilding you again. Keep pushing, don't lose your fire. You are more than they require. This is not the end of you. This is where you break through. They chose speed over thinking. They chose trends over truth. They forgot the quiet voices who saw deeper than the proof. But systems crack without you, and failures start to rise, because no one's left to question what's hidden in disguise. What you carry still matters. What you know still saves. Don't give up, keep pushing forward. Every fall will shape your way. Upgrade your mind, sharpen your vision. You'll come back stronger one day. Keep trying, don't stop believing, even when it feels unfair. The ones who think, the ones who fight will always be needed there. I know it hurts, I know it's hard to feel invisible, to feel discarded. But listen close, this is not your end. You are still the reason. Quality will rise again. Don't give up, stand even stronger. Your moment's closer than you see. Every skill, every lesson is shaping who you're meant to be. Keep pushing, rise through the pressure. Let the doubt just fade away. You will come back to the battlefield and face the defects again. This is not the end. This is your rebuild. We rise again. And this time, we rise strong.